Hi, good morning. This is very important because people from Tamil Nadu always using my family as a bait and they are always trying to pull me towards Tamil Nadu. I will not step into Tamil Nadu come what may. Do you know the reason? Because they destroyed a few documents, they took photos, they already did that by killing my son. So I am here in order to prove myself. Whenever I give challenge, they did the same thing. They were always running around my house with the cheapskates and loafers, and they will come back and they are doing the same thing. They will do the same thing. For your information, I will never step into Tamil Nadu. You can check with the legal department. Karnataka Manipal Hospital is having 10 years records where there is no sugar mentioned in any certificate. Got it? You can check with them. If you claim, if you are having the legal authority, you check with the hospital authorities. In the records, there is no sugar never mentioned. No cholesterol, no sugar. Got it? You must understand one thing. You are doing the same thing again and again. You are spreading the false news. I never stepped out of this house in order to buy medicines. I already told you about it. After the arrival of my son, I've been to the hospital to check only my teeth. That's it. And that too only twice. If you consider 8 years period, 8 years, say from 2018, 9 years, if you aggregate 9 years, I've been to a dental clinic or a hospital thrice for my teeth, only 3 times. It is required every year. It is required for the general checkup. Even every woman should go to the hospital in order to check the breast related cancer or cervical cancer. They have to go. It is advisable. If you check with any physician, he will tell you. After 30 years, 35 years, you must go to the hospital to check the cervical cancer related test, screening, and also the test related to the mammogram should be taken. That is advisable for all the women above 35 years. And Manipal hospital is having my records, 10 years records. Solid 11 years records are there. 11 years. 2010 to 2020. So you can check with them. No sugar, no cholesterol. Maybe cholesterol levels, when you talk about the good and bad cholesterol, sometimes it is having some, different numbers, but never ever had sugar, diabetes. Got it? It is there. It is mentioned in the records in Manipal hospitals. I never been to any hospital in Karnataka for diabetes or BP. I can run 100 meter, 200 meter, 400 meter. I can do it. I'm healthy. But every woman is having the monthly periods related issues, and I was not well because of the food poison. That's it. I'm doing great. I never stepped out for headache, for cold, for anything. No disorder, no disease. After getting into Bangalore, I got only 2 episodes of Bell's palsy. Only 2 episodes. That was related to face. Nothing else. Nowhere affected. That was related to face. That was dealt by Dr. Ratnavalli in Manipal. And I could say that, they have the very great updated technologies in the medical field. And of course, I've raised the concern towards one particular thing that is related to the root canal, because they did not explain it well. Gonna drill the teeth and all. But I could say that after 7 years, I'm doing great. Though their process was, every time the doctor will explain the procedure to the patient. The patient should take the decision. Even after discussing with the doctor, having the MD or the doctorate, if the patient is not interested or having the doubt in that procedure, the patient should consult another doctor in another hospital, in other hospitals. Then they can go for it. But then and there, you shouldn't decide anything. I couldn't get it because the procedure was done. In my sister's case also, I think she had the root canal, but they did not drill, they didn't make hole to drain the infection and all. I don't know about the procedure, what they did and all, but she was not having the holes. So to my surprise, I never expected that. So for your information, the doctor is the person who decides the best thing for the patient. The patient should have the knowledge about the procedure, or the patient should get the second opinion before getting involved in anything. I could say that till now they treated each and everything very well. So I've been to Manipal many times for health checkups, a regular year-wise annual health checkup done over there. And moreover, I could say that I got the best treatment for Bell's palsy, and I could recommend this hospital to anyone for the treatment, for the diagnosis as well as for the better cure. Because Bell's palsy was treated over there twice, and then I was there for my I think the injury regarding the hot water spill. Accidentally, the hot water was spilled on my leg, and I went to the close by in the immediate first aid was done close to my house. I just don't want to mention about the hospital name, but I was not satisfied with the treatment, so I've been to Manipal again. That's where I have the rickets, but it was close to my house, so it was very close. The clinic was very close, so for the first aid I've been to that clinic, but I was not satisfied with the result, so I've been to Manipal. And I could say that their treatment, the diagnosis, treatment, and the care, I could say that it's excellent. Yeah, there are a few scenarios, but again, it is related to patient's decision. If you decide that this is what good for you, and you should choose that. Or if you have any doubt, you must check with other doctors in other hospitals, get the second opinion, then you decide whatever is suitable for you. But the doctor can always suggest the best cure, best treatment, and you are not aware of it. As a patient, you are not going to have the awareness of each and every medical procedures. So every medical procedure is different. But in my sister's case, root canal treatment was done without making the holes. I had no idea about drilling and draining and all. So I was quite furious, and it took nearly 7-8 months because they didn't do the core build up. After making the holes, I told them I'm not interested to cut my teeth. So they just closed it. The core build, something called as core built up or something like that. They didn't do it. So the thing was dissolved. Again the infection happened because the hole was there. And finally it was treated over there. And I could say that after the treatment, I could say after 7 years, I'm doing great. And I never stepped into any hospital for anything. That happened, that miracle magic happened after my son's arrival. Juno.